Yo guys, so it is KEMP-XI right here, and today we are exploring a RAF. Wait, what was it? Kermington bunkers, and basically we're going to see if it's good, see if it's I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you there. It's fucking creepy.
You've locked.
Yeah. Yeah. I know they won't be able to see, but
yeah, but it's noisy, isn't it?
yeah, it's creepy. You gotta flog creepy shit.
Like that rabbit hole.
It's better in daytime to see it, won't it?
Yeah.
Probably walk up to it and see it straight away.
Not really.
Like, we're literally covered round woods. Sure, we're going the right way back.
Yeah. Is that the dirt trail?
What?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, we're not. Yeah, it follows this one, that one. It goes all the way along then.
Fucking hell, that was a dip. Wait, is this the dirt track?
Yeah.
Which way do we go?
We come from that way, that way.
So we go this way. And there's all the car marks that we saw. Oh, great. Luckily I've got shit shoes on.
No.
Other way.
Yeah. It's on the bend. Hey. Come this side straight up. On your bend. What? Come this side. Yeah. It's on the bend.
What, the underground thingy?
Yeah. The bend is there.
No, well, there's another bend. Because there's two ways out, isn't there? What are you pausing for?
There's a light flashing up there. And birds didn't fly with like, yeah, which is us. I'm so dopey.
Why?
Look up in the air. Turn your torch down, Ben. Look on that tree.
Oh, it's you. Reflecting from the water. Oh my god. At first I thought someone else was here then. Because you're...
Could even be some more in that side. But I've never been in that side.
Just go to the places that you really know.
No, I could do that during the day, but it's just obviously at this time I want to find this one
Yeah.
and show you it. And it gets real slippery here in a minute. Boss, watch out, Ben. That's the bend. Surely it's that bend. Let's just walk up here and then we can walk back a bit if need be.
Mate, on the camera it is
When
just
someone's had a Macca's.
on the camera it's just jet black and all it see is your light sometimes. I can't even see mine. Mate, even if I do that, look, it just does your light, it doesn't do anything around it. All I can do is hear it. And that's the way out, innit? But there's a bend here.
We're heading back to the road.
Yeah, I know.
What if I stand like this in front of each other?
No, it just gets you high as first.
Right. That's where the track is.
That's where we came from, yeah?
Come round the bend. And we're just coming down here slightly. But slow.
We came here, didn't we?
No, we didn't come in this way, we're coming further on.
Oh.
Just make sure you stay together. This is the other track we used to walk up.
What? What's that?
Nice bend. Yeah, stand that side.
What do you think you found it?
Just slowly. You can see the log on this side with this still up.
Like a little nature park with that fucking squeakle in it.
We don't find it in the next
5 minutes.
10 minutes. We'll head back.
Right.
I know. It's here somewhere. Just literally in the top then.
Are the big logs?
There you go.
Really?
I think.
Yes.
Maybe.
It's flat.
Yeah.
Is that the hole?
That's one of the entrances.
Shine the light on it, can you? Oh no. Where's the other?
That's one of them.
Where's the other?
Can you see it?
entrance? Yeah, I can see it on the camera.
What's this one?
Monday. That is a lot of birds.
Fucking hate that.
What, the birds?
No, just when you're not expecting it and fucking.
Yeah.
Right, keep watching your feet walk exactly where I am.
Right, following.
Maybe come here.
Wait.
And them two logs. I'll put one up against that tree and one against that tree behind you. There's someone from recently and moved them.
Maybe not recently, you put it.
Well,
Summer.
however long. And I had that stick stuck in the ground pointing upwards. Right, watch out, Steve.
Okay, no, can't believe we actually found it.
Oh, you fucker. watch out, Ben.
Shine the light on it, can you? Make it like bigger. No, don't do that. Right. Is it heavy to move?
No. Just be careful because there's a nail in it somewhere. Oh no, it on. I removed it.
You not lifting it up?
Yes, it's just on its phone.
Can you see that?
No, Ben, move that way.
Shine it down, Ben.
And that one. Sort of, yeah. That'll do. That'll do.
Right. Not that. Anything grabs me,
What do we do?
whack that.
What do you mean anything grab you?
Inside.
Right, shine it on it.
Inside.
Mm. Fucking hell. It's all messy. Shite line down here.
Who's going in first?
Not me.
Ben?
Not me.
Really?
That is all messy and horrible.
Right. Steve-o.
Yeah?
You stay that side.
Yeah.
Shine your torch down there.
Yeah.
Or even Ben's phone torch, whatever.
Not like that.
A load of shit down there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but I hope no one's in there. With it being shut up. That's what I'm worried about even more.
Why would people be in it if it's shit?
Because someone might have put someone in it.
Well,
Like that.
You never know. Pass me my torch quick. I'm tapping with that fucker.
Is anyone? Anything?
Right, come on. Come on.
No, I was gonna go now.
Put one foot on there.
I'll go.
Wait, what if someone puts one over us?
It won't.
I'll go.
I can push it up.
Then I'll go. Because I need the camera passing down.
One sec.
Wait, you need to grab these. You need to grab the... That.
You guys.
Shine it through.
Oh, what if someone shuts us in?
They won't, trust me. Just either the camera and come to the front.
Why should I
Just behind me.
Excuse. Look at all the shit and things. It's just freaky as fuck.
Come on, look on. Just watch your head.
Watch your head.
This is all the original concrete from when it was built.
Oh shit. I don't...
Make sure it's down. Come in. Is that the right?
This is like a World War II one.
Look above there.
Holy shit.
Breathing pipe, oxygen pipe.
So does that mean we can breathe?
Yeah.
So even if someone tries to lock us in here.
Yeah, and there's another one there.
Is that a second exit?
Yeah. If you shine your torch up there, that's the second exit. What's covered up?
How do you
So
get
there's two exits.
bottle? So this was like...
not much in it. Right?
Ben, your light is perfect for this. Let me just... Cool.
What, mine or Ben's?
Ben's. Look at all of that. It's proper... Oh, that breathing pipe is blocked.
If not, it goes across to this one. Because this one goes out that way.
Up there.
Top there.
It's a proper abandoned. This is where people used to go
Yeah.
for World War II. I guess. No,
Yeah,
you-
that one's blocked up, but that other one, the piping, if you look with your
Tiles.
camera, the piping goes out that way.
Oh yeah. No, but like that
It's
literally.
not bad though, is it? Quite cool.
Yeah, you could live down here, probably.
What do you think the was built for?
Oh yeah, living down here for World War, wasn't it?
And if there was any chemical bombs and shit like that.
Mm.
That's why it's
Oh,
got
shit.
that one pipe going
There's just
that way.
spider in it. Man, my hands are
That's
unlucky.
all concrete, that's Stephen.
All this.
Yeah, look at it. Big thick layers of concrete.
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look how it's bolted in with big nails and screws.
all rusted up and stuff. Crazy.
Look at the colourful walls.
Is that to make you feel happy?
No, it's what some
What's that
novice
say?
done to destroy it.
It's just spray painting.
God knows.
Just a little name tag that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this where people go to the toilet or something? Where did-
Right.
That's definitely not. Is it?
This is all metal.
Oh, there's another breathing pipe in it.
Right.
Up there.
Was that a water pipe?
Water pipe,
Water pipe or something
yeah.
else.
A pipe.
Some random wall. Another breathing pipe,
What's
I guess.
this little room for then? What was this?
This would just be the entrance. Because literally, how you can see this wood here,
Yeah.
there's metal inside it.
Yeah.
And it would have had either a door or something on here. Because
Yeah.
if you look,
Oh,
it's got
Yeah.
metal in it from the roofing
yeah.
and them wooden joists which are rotted. Look, Steve-o.
I just got a load of shit on my neck.
Look.
Joe.
That's literally dripping with water. Oh,
No, it's all the muck.
that's just gone all down my neck.
Because what's its name? That, in the olden days, used to have concrete lentils like that. They used to put them underneath it,
You know,
and that one's pretty much solid.
it's not breaking it.
But what's its name, mate? This used to be like the entrance hallway. That's locked off. Important people could have been in this one or what have you.
Yeah.
This could have been security guards here.
Just in case,
Aiming
like,
up there,
just in
and
case.
they could have had a door locked in there.
What, just in case, like, Nazis come and stuff.
Well, they didn't come to England, but you know, if anything like that ever happened.
They came flying over, like,
And that's
dropping
why-
bombs. Didn't they?
Yeah, that's why this is a bomb shelter.
Yeah.
So people could come in here.
I didn't know, like, they drop bombs in, like, the countryside.
Not half the time, but sometimes they used to.
It's all sticky and stuff before.
It's like, I'll tell you, interesting fact.
Yeah.
Why do you think the pier was cut short?
Well, I did what?
Why do you think the pier was cut short?
After it was gone.
No, it wasn't.
I don't know.
It was so anyone from the North Sea all the way up, they couldn't get onto the pier to get on into England, and that's why
Ah,
jetted all the way across is them two forts, and they had big cable netting under the water where the forts are, so submarines can come up and get out, and they had like guns on it to shoot planes down what were trying to come in.
so that's why they cut it off.
Yeah, they cut edge of the pier off so they couldn't get
It
on
was
the
like
pier
it
and
was-
then come into Clayfops
There's a,
to
lo-
What's that?
be in England. Crisp packet.
there's a wire. There's
A
just
wire.
a lot of holes in the wall.
Yeah,
Guess they
well,
all attach to that, yeah.
most of them are like that. It's a vent. That
Right.
one will be another vent.
There's one down there.
One up there.
That'll be. Yeah, it's all like different vents and that for your air. Which,
That's why we can.
obviously, us breathing right now, we're breathing oxygen in, but we're breathing carbon dioxide out.
Yeah.
So literally, we can breathe all the time in here.
Just like think about this. There was people in here like a few years, like not a few, like a load of years ago,
Yeah.
just like shivering and stuff like that. And now it's just
No, because to
abandoned.
be fair, this could have had heating and that lot in years ago, and that's what that
Look,
could have
it's just
possibly
like
been.
it's painted like silver. It's just
Yeah, it's all idiots doing it. Whereas naturally,
can't they just keep
would have
it?
been like that.
Yeah, can't they just keep it like how it is?
Yeah, well, it's idiots for you, mate.
It's epic shit.
It's like
It's
literally that could have been
like heating water.
pumping oil into here. My stomach.
Oh.
And it could have had like an oil heater in here.
Alright, we off.
You want to go to the other ones?
Yeah, see where they are.
And then
Do I need to go first? Oh,
no,
you.
I'll go first, mate. 'Cause I've got this, and then if anyone comes, I can bid it.
Just
Right
like-
out for when you're children getting out. Like, look, another one there.
What? Where?
Oh,
Where you? Oh, that at the end, yeah. I thought you were on about right in front of
this.
Oh,
Old concrete slab.
it's proper.
It's still good condition, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably could be used again.
And
Crazy.
oh, actually, I've got them with you.
Oh,
When we get in the car, in my camera bag, I'll have to show you.
I click the home button, it'll still be shining. Right, like the side button on there.
Right, we've found some bullets, like on the ground, and like yeah, like Lee's got them, and we're about to show it if he can find them in his pocket. Got them?
Yeah.
Old, like World War II bullets. Look, like
All being fired. All of them being fired. And we've got proper.
There you want, mate. Proper.
Yeah.
You caught?
It's 5 there, mate.
They're all proper, like rusty bullets, like they've been out all night, raining and stuff. Like the real bullets from World War II. That's crazy, absolute crazy. Here you go, have them back.
2 seconds, mate.